Hello everyone, we want to make a calendar like this where you can check your monthly calendar. Let me change this one to July and you will see that the calendar will change. So we want to make something like that. Let's add on to a new sheet entirely. Okay, we start from the column B. Here you can put in calendar for the month. Let's merge it first. Okay, so we come here, we put month, and we come here, we put year. So for now I'm going to put June here, and for year I'll put 2026. The next thing we should do is to go to data validation, click on this June, the place that will be holding the month. Click on it and go to data validation. Go to data validation, click on data validation, come to this any value. There's a drop down arrow there, select list, and here you are going to enter January, comma, February, March, so I've entered from January to December. I'll just click on OK, so that this month here will be selectable. You can pick any month of your choice from there. We are going to do the formatting later. The next thing we want to do is, let's come to this place, let's put in Sunday, and then let's use a drop this arrow to drag it to your right hand side for the whole month and for the whole of the week. So this is Monday and Sunday to Saturday, right? Okay, then we select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and drag it like this. Give it a table. I selected 6. Okay, I'll give the upper one a table too. So formatting has stylishly started like that. I'll bring it to the middle properly. I'll make it bolder, and then I'll change the background color to something lighter. So this place, I'm going to merge it. I'll merge it. I'll give it Times New Roman. I'll increase the font size, and then let me type what I want to type inside. I actually want to put a formula there. Okay, so the formula will be equals to date value, open bracket, 1, sorry please, so as I was saying, date value, open bracket, 1, and you will hold your shift down to press the and, then you pick this one where the month is, you say and again, and select where the year is, then you close the bracket, you hit enter. So you can see how it's showing. So the next thing I'm going to do is to right click on it. I'll go to format cell, then I'll go to date. I want it to be in a particular format, so I'll just pick the one I want. If I want this, I can choose this one. Okay, then I'll click OK. Okay, so now I can give this place a nice color also, a background color that is okay. Maybe I can change this one to white. All right, so now that we are done with this, the next thing we want to do is to enter the formula that is supposed to be here. But before that, let me format these two properly. I'll give it bold. I can as well change the color also. All right, so now we want to add on, we are going to format this one too. We want to add on to imputing how the calendar should eventually look. All right, that is the next thing we are going to be doing. Now look at this formula, this function bar. There's a formula here that we want to use. Okay, this is equals to B4. This is the B4, and then I added the dollar sign to make it absolute. The weekday, okay, the B4 again, comma 1 plus column A1. Don't mind that column A1, there is absolutely nothing there, but it has to be in the formula. So look at this formula. You can pause this particular place to type in the formula into the first cell under Sunday. So then you hit enter. You can see how it's looking, right? So the first thing we should do before we format it like we did for this place is to drag it to Saturday and then drag it downward for everything. Then you will now highlight everything, select everything, you right click, click on format cell, and then come to custom. Where you are seeing general here, put DD there. Where you are seeing general, put DD, and then you hit OK. Okay, so this is what we have. You can see how clumsy it's looking, right? The next thing we are going to do is to do conditional formatting. Still selected everything, we go to home, we click on conditional formatting, and then we go to new rule. We go to use a formula to determine which cell to format. The last one on this row here, you select it and then you enter a formula here. I'm coming, let me just copy the formula in order not. Now here is the formula you are going to enter into the conditional formatting we have selected. We chose use a formula to determine which cell to format. So this equals to month B6 greater than equals to month that is in B4. Okay, then you go to format, you click on automatic, just give it a white color and click OK. Then you click OK again. All right, so irrelevant days of the month that are not supposed to be there will automatically disappear. And you can as well decide to bring this one to the middle, like this. You can decide to change the font to something else. You can decide to make it bolder. All right, can you see? So our calendar is ready. So let's check what if we change this one to 2025. What are we going to have? Can you see? The calendar has changed, and then we change the month also. What if we change this to 2027?